Hey guys, John Jones here with August numbers. Closed sales were down 12% over last August. Had a very light August in closed sales. However, contracts pending were up 12%. And I think that was basically because the rates have started coming down a little bit, guys. Right now, we're at a conventional 6.5, which means FHA is probably under 6.25, which is the lowest rates we have seen in 2025. If these continue to come down, guys, we'll start fixing some of the inventory. But right now, the inventory is up 45% over this time last year. We're actually into a 4-month supply of homes, which definitely means by all measures that we are into a buyer's market in most price ranges. There's probably a couple of micro markets that doesn't affect, but really for a whole, we're definitely in a buyer's market. Our median price per square foot is at $217 in August. Remember, we hit our peak at $222. So basically, we're $5 off of that. So when people say, have we remained pretty level? For the most part, but I promise you, especially on existing homes, prices have come down. New construction right now represents almost 40% of homes on the market. Actually, it's 36%. We're moving through some new construction, but here's what's happening in new construction. The national companies, which are publicly held companies, meaning they're using shareholder money, they're not going to banks like the local guy. Those homes, they're offering everything. We have, I think it was Meritage Homes, great people, came to our sales meeting. They're basically saying, hey, we bought down the rate to 4.99%. We'll even do a buy down. We'll throw in 20,000 extras. They are trying to move homes. And basically what they're doing, they're not selling homes, they're selling payments. And they have the ability to do that because they're a big company. They're not borrowing money from the banks. They've got to get through inventory. So those guys are offering some pretty good deals, which is another indicator of, the inventory and kind of how sluggish it's been over the last few months. And it's just kind of kept getting worse. Although if these rates continue to trickle down, I think we will reverse course. If you're thinking about buying a home and you can qualify to buy a home, I would definitely think about going ahead and doing it, even if you're paying a little higher rate, because when these rates get down around 6% and less, these prices will start going back up. I promise you. There'll be a little lull period, but if you buy today, you probably are going to pay a lot less than you would for that home in 6 months if these rates continue to keep trickling down. And we've seen them trickle down the last 30 days pretty consistently, and they're doing it as well today. So we'll keep our eye on that. If you need anything real estate, please call 615-867-3020. Thank you.